Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds with any Android phone or Android tablet. So first of all, before pairing these earbuds with any device, you have to charge them for like 20 minutes or 10 minutes by using this micro USB port, and also remember to disconnect them from any previously connected devices. And next, you have to just open this charging case and remove left and the right earbud. And as you can see, in my case, they are not activated automatically. So click and hold both buttons to turn them on and move them to the pairing mode. Keep holding, and now a release when this indicator on the left one is blinking blue and red. Now put it close to your Android device, open the Bluetooth, then click to pair new device, and from available devices list you have to select your Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds. As you can see on my second phone, I can already find them, and looks like we also have them on this phone. So click on them once. In my case, that's the True Wireless Sound earbuds name. Accept the pairing. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.